So far we've learned how to multiply using partial product and the lattice method. Now we'll look at the traditional way. I call it the mom and dad way. If you haven't done it yet, please go and print the graph paper that's underneath the video that's listed here. When we multiply multi-digit numbers, we can also look at them in a similar way to addition because we're going to carry from one place to the next. Let's take a look at this. In the traditional method, when we multiply 7 times 4, we get 28. I'm going to carry the 2. Here we multiply 7 times 2, which would be 14, plus 2 would give us 16, carry the 1. Then we're going to put an X here under the 8 because we've moved over into the tens place to do our multiplying. So we mark off the ones place here so we don't mistakenly put our answer in that column. Then we do 6 times 4, 24. I already have a 2 up there. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 2 would make that 14. Now I'm going to add these. I'm going to bring down that 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 4, 5, and 6. And just bring down the 1. So the answer to 24 times 67 is 1,608. Now, let's try another. 9 times 3 is 27. Carry the 2. 9 times 8, 72, plus 2 is going to be 74. Then I'm going to put an X because now I've moved over to the tens place. So 3 times 3 is 9. There is nothing to carry. 3 times 8 is 24. Now we're going to add these. Bring down the 7. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3. So 3,237. Now I'm going to give you a problem to solve, and then you'll come back and you can see how I solve it. Press pause, and then when you're done, push play again. How'd you do? First thing we have to do is 5 times 9, which is 45. Then 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 4, 14. Now we're going to put that X to show that we're moving over to the tens place. 4 times 9, 6, carry the 3. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Now we'll add this. 5, 0, carry the 1 is 3, and 1. So 1,305. How did you do? Let's do the same thing here. You're going to go ahead and solve this. So hit pause right now, copy down the problem on your graph paper, and then push play when you're ready to see how to solve it. Did you do it this way? 4 times 7 is 28. Carry the 2. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 2 is 34. What comes next? We're going to mark our place here. Then we're going to look at 3 times 7, which is 21. I already have a 2 up there. 3 times 8, which is 24, plus 2, 26. 8, 5, 9, 2, 2,958. Is that what you got? Good job. Now go ahead and turn your graph paper over, or if it doesn't print on both sides, start with a new piece of graph paper, turn it horizontally or landscape, and make our 4 boxes like we normally do. Copy these 4 problems down and solve them on your own and bring them in for your homework. If you need to go back and watch any part of the video, feel free to do that before you solve them. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.